Hey y'all, we are here at Hattiesburg. We're going to go into the Hattiesburg Zoo. We're going to go check that out. There's a brand new water park right next door. We may go and visit that depending on how much time we have. But yeah, we're going to go check out the zoo. We're going to find out how much it costs to get in and just go check that little place out and see what it's all about. I've heard a lot of good things about the Hattiesburg Zoo, so but it's about time that I found out. If you have joined me, thank you for being here. I'm so glad you're here with me. So let's go scope this out together and just go see what it's all about. Okay, I just found look, they're sold out at the water park. He said that as long as he's been there, they've never been able to reopen in case people just didn't show up, you know. But the water park is at capacity right now. He said they've been open a little more than a month. And so right now this place is really, really popular. But yeah, I was kind of hoping to go to the water park today too. But doesn't look like that's gonna happen. But let's go check out the zoo. So I had a really hard time trying to find an entrance into the zoo. I have been around the world and back, and a nice lady that works concessions at the zoo, she showed me how to get in, but I wanted to stop. I wanted y'all to see these two squirrels. They were playing, they're just babies, and they were playing with each other. They were so cute. But anyway, look at this little park area for the kids. Most of it is shaded. I guess that's like a basketball goal right there. I don't know what that is for the kids. I'm not sure what that is. But anyway, there's a big play area over here for the children. And it looks like a lot of fun. And there is a place, there are places around here to sit down and eat if you want to. And just or sit in the shade and watch your children. Anyway, we're going to walk in over here and just see what is going on with the zoo. And I'm on. Now I got my bearings, I know where I'm at. We're gonna go ride on the train. This looks interesting. I wonder if it costs extra. We're gonna find out. I noticed that here's a little place right here where you can get something to eat and a little something to drink. But they've got these tables over here and even these little benches under the shade that you can sit down and get something to drink and just enjoy your meal or your drink and do it out of the sun. And I'm not even into the zoo yet. The train pulls into the station. Yep. Wow. It runs every 30 minutes. Yeah, look at that. The carousel. Oh, and it has there's a schedule for the times that it actually runs. Oh, it's $2, okay? It's $2 to ride on the carousel, and it's also $3 to ride the train. So now we know. But yeah, the train is just about full, but this little guy right here, he's about to pull out, so interesting. Look at how pretty these giraffes are. Ooh, I'm surprised they're laying out here in this blazing heat. They're just beautiful. Oh my gosh. Oh, and they've got a ball to play with. I was just looking. That must be where they house. These two structures here must be where they house them. And so, but all the animals here look like they're well taken care of. Wow. Just beautiful, huh? Look at this guy right here. He's laying on the cold concrete. It's hot. Yes, it is. Ooh, wait. Big or small, you scary looking. I saw him on the side. There's another one over there too. Yikes. Wow. Scary alligators. Here's the safari grill. Oh, they serve alcohol at the zoo? Who knew? Huh.
You want something to drink? What you want?
This is a good way to get out of the cool off. Is to get in the water, and there's there's some cabanas right there. Cabana rentals. Let's see what they are. I'm curious as to how much those are. I'm gonna go there and read that sign. But yeah, Cabana rentals. So the Cabana rentals are 15 for the first hour and 10 each additional hour. And then you have to purchase it at Zawadi's Market by the train station. So now we know how much the Cabana rentals are, and we know where to purchase it. Just well, I don't know what this area is, but we're going to go explore it real quick and just see what's going on with that. So far, I hadn't seen any elephants or anything like that. Oh, this is supposed to be the spotted hyena. Spotted hyena.
Yeah.
Oh, there he is, huh?
Yeah, wow.
Look at those big old paws on there. Woo, you're big. I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's a hyena up in there. Oh yeah, look, he just lifted his head. There he is. Man. I mean, they're pretty, for sure. There's one in this structure too, but you can't see him. And then you got this guy down here. He's hard to see, but there he is. Can't see his face, but he's resting. They're just, like I said, the heat is just so hot out, and they're looking just to be still, not exert too much energy. It's just so hot. Okay, this is called Asbury Discovery Center. Let's go in here and see what this is about, because this looks very interesting. Oh, and look, I didn't see these flamingos. Oh, and look, and there's a peacock over here. He's I think he's one that's been hollering so much here lately. I've been hearing him all over the zoo. Wow. Oh, he's drinking water. Check that out. Oh, he's pretty. Ooh, they need to clean out their water bowls. Them things are nasty. Nasty. I was trying to get some pictures, but the glare is just so bad. Oh, this is king snakes, rattlesnakes, bearded dragons. Oh, and there's even a huge old spider in here. Scary. See, what is that? That's a milk snake. Ew. What does that mean, milk snake? Check out this huge turtle. Goodness gracious, he is big. I wonder how old he is. Galapagos tortoise. Wow. I don't know how old he is, but I know one thing, he is huge. Wow. That's impressive. I don't see a sign, but I think this is a cheetah. Can you see him laying inside that little structure right there? Yeah, he's taking himself a nap. He's beautiful. Yeah, I'm sure that it would eat me alive, but man, I just love the love on it and pet on it. Oh, here's another one too. Here's one right here. He's under that little structure right there. He's taking a nap. Wow, pretty. And that's one thing, they've got plenty of, like, you know, shade for all of these animals. Wow. And back off a little bit. Well, so far this has been pretty good. I've seen a few animals, but they're all just kind of laying low and trying to get out of the heat. But this area right here is for the kids also, and they have like these wicker looking cabanas back here. Let's see if I can show them to you. That's neat, huh? These wicker looking cabanas so that you can sit down and eat and get out of the heat and the sun. Nice, huh? I don't see a sign for these monkeys anywhere. May not be looking hard enough, but they're beautiful too. They have little beards on them. I'll have to check out and see what these little monkeys are. They're pretty. Okay, let's go check out and see if we can find some ostriches. Oh, this is like a lookout. This is like a lookout. You can stand here and look out and see all the animals. Ooh, ooh. It's not. I don't think that's a real alligator. I don't know. That looks nasty. It might be though. I don't know, but he's looking this way if it is. Yikes. Ooh, here's another one. Yeah, I don't think those things are real. They look real, but they're not, I don't think. There are some zebras over there. Oh, and there's the ostriches over there. Maybe we can get a better look at them on down the way there, but yeah. This is nice through here.
And they were just hiding behind. The next thing I heard was a crash of
and this is a TV that they're showing on this show, you know, what about these tortoises and whatever right here. So.
On top of you.
Wow, look how big that ostrich is. Beautiful, huh? Wow. Those are some huge feet. He's looking right at us.
A crane.
Another ostrich over there.
I don't know.
That's it.
Ringtail lemur. Oh, how pretty you are. Yes. It's so hot, nobody's really wanting to move around a lot. And let's see, who is this over here? Hi. Oh, little monkeys. They say it's hot. That's the only place they can get out of the heat, y'all. Well, maybe not. Oh no. That's their homes. They're just kind of inside, outside right now, I guess. Yeah, it's just hot, so we'll hang around in and we'll hang around out. Yeah. Okay, this is a fox. Let's look at him. Oh, can you see him? He's hard to see, but there he is. So pretty. Yeah, oh. I just love animals. So pretty. I don't know what kind of bird that is, but he's begging for some food. He's hollering at them folks, give me something to eat. That's crazy. But this area right here is pretty. That thing right there will spit at you for sure. Pretty. You're pretty, but you spit. We're going to go check out the giraffes, and it says, how much do giraffes drink? Giraffes can actually last longer without drinking water than camels. Ooh, did not know that. They will go up 3 weeks without a drink. When they do drink, they've been known to down 12 gallons in one sitting. Oh no, that's a lot. On the average, though, a giraffe drinks about 2 gallons of water a week. Compared to a human, the average human male drinks about 15.5 cups cups of fluid every day. And the average human female drinks about 11.5 cups of fluid every day. That's interesting to know.
The front teeth have migrated to the back to help with the chewing.
I'm gonna fill my water
place is a
bottle up while I'm here.
fleshy dental pad. Not the best name, is it? Dental pad.
Y'all, look at these prairie dogs. So cute. Yeah, what is that you're eating? I wish I could take you home with me. You're the prettiest looking little thing I've ever seen. Yes. Okay, this is a southern brown hornbill. And there's supposed to be a porcupine in there somewhere, but I don't see it. They're in there resting too, but the heat is just, it's close to 100 degrees today, so everybody's staying out of the sun. You're making a lot of noise. Oh, you're so pretty. Yeah, so pretty. Yeah, did you get out? Did you escape from somewhere? I don't know. You're awfully pretty though. Yeah. Goodness gracious. Well, that's it for me for today. The zoo wasn't quite as big as I thought it was, but it was a wonderful zoo. It was interesting, but they didn't have any elephants. She said they're still expanding. Eventually they'll get some. So I didn't see any elephants, and what else did I didn't see? I didn't see any tigers either. So, but it was a wonderful day at the zoo. And I will be back. The Serengeti Springs, so I'm not going to be able to make it over there because they're booked up. They're at capacity. So I was told to come back on a Monday, if I wanted to go to the water park. So I might buy my ticket online and just go to the water park. Well, I'll do it this summer sometime. So, but anyway, it was a really good day. Listen to that bird. Hey Earl, hey Earl. I enjoyed my time here, so I'll be back, and thank you for joining me. It was a good day, so I really appreciate you having you here. If you like my video, please like and subscribe, and it helps my channel so much. It helps me. So, but anyway, I will catch y'all in the next video. Y'all have a good day. I enjoyed myself so much today, y'all. It was really nice. I'm disappointed I can't go to the water park though. I had to park at a church, and y'all, this church is really, really big. But it's probably a good thing, because I mean, this church parking lot is full of cars for the Serengeti water park and for the zoo. So there's not even enough room for the people to park at the zoo. But anyway, yeah, this was a great day. So y'all come back and join me in my next video. It's gonna be a good one.